Hello everyone, welcome to the Fin Me Up channel. Hope you're extremely well. Today we'll be looking at a very exciting company operating in an extremely exciting space with awesome solutions, and it's also a company that ARK Invest, also known as run by Kathy Woods, loves, and they are stacking up on shares, but we'll get into that. So here we'll be looking at who they are, what they do, some of their financials, what ARK Invest thinks about them, the risks involved, and also then lastly, what we think about them. This company is called Unity Software and they are listed in the United States. It is already a big company as they have a market cap, also known as a valuation, of $30 billion. So firstly, what they do is they have solutions in awesome industries like games, where they help creators build and monetize their games and much more. They have solutions in the automotive and transport industry, in the film and animation industry, in architecture and engineering, also in gambling and also in tech. So it's in very exciting spaces. It's got awesome, it's exciting. There's a lot of opportunity in these various industries and segments. So the financials, they are currently on a share price of $104 by the time we're recording this. They are sitting on a market cap of around $30 billion, so it's already a big company. The revenue for 2020 for the full year was $772 million, which was a 43% increase from 2019. So they are growing, which is great to see. The price to sales is sitting at 39, which is quite expensive. It is really expensive. And going forward, they expect an average year-on-year revenue growth of 30%. So it is good, 30% is good, but not necessarily justifying the high valuation. But we expect it to be a bit more than 30% year on year if they execute well, as they are in very exciting industries and they have a good track record. On average, the CNN analysts, if you Google it, you can just literally say share price forecasts. These are what the CNN analyst says, but they expect a potential average upside of 28%. So nobody can actually say what's going to happen in the future, so always make your own conclusions on that. So getting back to ARK Invest, we all know ARK Invest. They are investing in disruptive, innovative technologies, and their funds and ETFs has been performing really, really well, and it's been a big trending aspect as they are really doing very well with everything. So they are continuously buying. I get an email each morning off the trading desk of what they're buying and selling, and they are loading up on Unity Software shares. So they own Unity Software shares in 3 of their ETFs, the ARKK fund, the ARKW fund, and the ARKQ fund. In the ARKK, they have 500 millions, in the ARKW, close to 200 million, and in the ARKQ, they have 18 million. So to put it in simple words, they have a total worth of shares around $735 million worth of shares in Unity Software throughout their funds. $735 million worth of shares. So that is big. That is really big. So bottom line, ARK Invest, they believe in this company. They believe in the future of this company. It is a disruptive, high-growth company. They like it. So let's just look at the risks, and there is 2 risks that stand out for us. The first one is the valuation. Trading at a price to sales of 39, it is expensive. It is really expensive. And if you buy now, you are definitely buying at a premium. Also, another risk is if Apple changes their advertising policies, it will affect the games and the creators that use their software for the games. But Unity Software estimates that it might offset only $30 million worth of revenue if Apple goes through with this. But, they are planning against this, and this might be a good thing for them. It might be a little bit bad thing. We'll have to see how this plays out, but they don't expect it to be a too big aspect part of their business, so it's not a real risk in our opinion. So bottom line, what we think of Unity Software, this can become a huge company. It is already big, but like we said, it is sitting on a massive valuation. I've been very tempted personally to get into Unity Software. I bought a little bit in the 90s range recently with a big dip, but it's already back into $104, so already saw a little bit of a return there. But I'm just a little bit too skeptical about the valuation currently. It is a super cool company with loads of potential. So, as a long-term investor, you have to ask yourself, where will the company be in 2030? And personally, I think that buying and holding this company for the next decade might actually give you nice returns as an investor. You know, the short term is extremely unpredictable, especially with overvalued companies, and that goes with various companies. Palantir is overvalued, Pinterest is overvalued, Sea Limited is overvalued, Tesla is overvalued, but it's all companies that can really continue to execute, and it is companies that you'll have to pay a premium for if you want to get in now for what it could be. And you know, it's already great companies, growing revenues, but you must know it is overvalued currently, especially if you look at the price to sales. But you can make your own conclusion on this. This is not financial advice. So bottom line, buy and hold strategy for us is probably the best approach that we'll be following. Let us know what you think and what you are doing. You know, everyone is doing their own thing, and that's good. Always do your own research. Like this video, it's just our take and our opinion. So let us know in the comments or on the online boardroom on the FinMeUp app. Do you follow Unity? Do you use any of the products? Let us know what you think of Unity, and also let us know what other high growth companies are you liking at this current moment, and then we can also look into them and, you know, just create the entire community. Hope you have a great day. Hope you found this valuable. Check out the FinMeUp app. The rest of the features, we're here to help and create value. Have an awesome day. Cheers.